So, you're the new maid?
Yes, madam. Ako po yun.
Very well. I shall be away over the weekend, and upon my return I shall expect that you've already wiped all the surfaces of the main hall, washed the curtains, replaced the carpets, patched the roof of the kitchen, and fixed the plumbing system of the whole mansion.
Sandali, madam. Hindi po kasi ako...
Will a salary of $500,000 a month suffice?
Ay, madam naman, hindi ka naman nagsabi agad. Yun lang, kaya, madam. Kaya.
Do you know how to cook lying?
Ah, yes, madam. Naku, hindi niyo po na itatanong, yan po ang aking specialty.
I hate lying. Boeuf bourguignon?
Hindi po, madam.
Minestrone?
Ano po yun?
Chicken masala?
Hindi din po. Pero madam, masarap po ako magluto ng adobo.
No.
Sinigang, madam.
No.
Sisig.
No.
Tinola.
No.
Kaldereta.
No.
Kare-kare.
No.
So walang Pinoy food, madam?
Yes. Let me put your problem-solving skills into test. If I ask you to go shop for groceries, pay the utility bills, load my phone, load Nanding's RFID, and send my goddaughter Mimi her lunch at school, how fast and how will you be able to do it?
Ay nako, minutes lang, madam. Thanks to Pure Gold Mobile's P-Wallet. Kaya ko nang gawin lahat yan dito lang sa phone. Mamili at magbayad ng groceries? Check. Magbayad ng ilaw at tubig? Checker. Bumili ng load? Corrected by. Load ng RFID ni Nanding? Yesterday once more. Pwede ko ding sendan si Mimi ng Pure Treats na pwede niyang gamitin sa favorite niyang fast food.
You hired.
Ay, salamat, madam. Salamat. Madam, nakahiyaman pero itatanong ko na din. Pwede po bang bumali?
Yes, pero leeg mo.
Ina, may inuwi akong tao. Atin na siya. Pinakain ko na siya ng itim na kanin.
Ikas talaga ng ulo mo. Sino na naman yan? Ikaw wala ka nang ambag dito sa bahay. Nagdala ka pa ng palamunin. Pinakain mo pa ng itim na bigas. Diyos ko, ang mahal-mahal na ng kilo ng black rice, ha? Yung tatay mo, magkanta kuba-kuba na sa pagkalakal ng mga halamang gamot sa mga lintik na albularyo na yan. Tapos ikaw, hayahay ang buhay. Hayahay ang buhay. Ineng, uwi ka muna sa inyo. Isauli mo yan. Isauli mo yan. Okay po. Chat na lang ako, ha? Sweetheart, good morning. Look, it's 7 a.m. na. It's your first day of school. Yes, it is. Are you excited? Okay, get out of bed na. Yaya made some pancakes. Let's go. Okay, senyorita, bumangon ka na dyan. Anong oras na, oh? Sas, kami dati, gantong oras, nakaakyat baba na kami sa bundok. First day of school, tanghali pa din kayo gumising. Hoy, sweetheart, I picked out na the outfit for you pala, ha? What do you think? Ay, kay sino ba ang hindi mapuyat? Na wala mang ginawa kundi magdudot-dot ng cellphone hanggang madaling araw. Hoy, bilisan mo dyan sa banyo ha, baka natunga ka na naman dyan. Oh, by the way, sweetheart, I told Mang Bernie pala ha to sundo you early this afternoon because we're gonna have to go shopping pa for your other school supplies. Wala na palang mantika. Nak, bumili ka muna ng mantika doon ka na Ilsa. Masusunog na tong kawali. Bilisan mo. Andyan sa taas ng ref yung barya. And also, I prepared seared shrimp salad for your baon. Sas, napakaparitso. Kami dati, magbalot lang kami ng tuyo at kanin sa dahon ng saging. Masaya na kami. Saka, anong inarte-arte mo? Masarap man yung chicken nuggets. Huwag kang mag-alala. I-level up natin yan gamit itong honey mustard, dips and dressings ng Clara Olay. I know you're a picky eater, so here's a quick and easy fix for this salad. Haitian dressing ng Clara Olay. Clara Olay Dips and Dressings is a ready-to-use dipping sauce and salad dressing in one. You can even use it for sandwiches. Napaka-convenient pag sa mabilisang preparation. Mapadipping sauce man yan ng pritong ulam or chips. Galing, right? For easy cooking, it's Olay you need. Here you go, sweetheart. Good luck on your first day of school and I am so proud of you. O siya, magsilayas na kayo nang mabawasan ang konsumisyon ko dito sa bahay. Pagkatapos ng pasok ha, diretso uwi. Pag nalaman ko na nagala-gala ka pa, makikita mo.
Yo, how do you say a bottle of water? A bottle of water? A bottle of water?
Mineral.
Welcome to the barangay, take a look around. I'm your neighbor Mauritius, the ruler of this town. Source of information, favorite pastime, sipping tea. Figure out who's spreading gossip, surely it is me. Welcome to the barangay, there's so much to learn. Naldo's mistress, I am stressed, a Eudice to be earned. Cynthia being pregnant, who could the father be? Neil and Joy now separated, the reason we shall see. Do this video and get a chance to win 1,000 pesos worth of click credits. Good luck. Oh dear goodness, the Slurpee is gone already. But of course I do. Especially now that it's the 7-11th day of the year. Now this promo only runs from July 7 to 11, and so I'm here to take advantage of it. Really? Oh, trust me, everyone knows. I saw Delia, Joy, and Mercy bag all the variants of Big Bite earlier, enough to start a community pantry. Yes, I'll be there. I'll just grab some Alak and Mani on my way out for a special gathering this weekend. Well, you better be.
My dear, sweet Kumare. That's what I do. That's what I live for. I now only tell legitimate chismes and only from reliable sources. Perhaps you can say I walk a higher path now. I admit that in the past I've spread bad chismes. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a snitch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways. Na barangay na tulfo, so I switch. True, yes. But I fortunately know some juicy chismes. It's a talent that I always have possessed. And Kumare, please don't laugh. I use it on behalf of the miserable, the lonely, and depressed, pathetic, more unfortunate morsons, in pain, in need. Susan longing for the latest Alma wants to get the news, and do I tell them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate morsons, so sad, so bored. They come flocking to my tea time screaming, "Spill, Mauritius, please," and do I tell them? Yes, I do.
Guys, pause muna. It's break time already, and I'm hungry. Did anyone bring merienda ba? Ay, boss, meron ako dito! Siopaw, bouncy and soft buns steamed for 2 to 3 days, including non-working holidays, filled with high-quality meat. You think it's better than my Peachy Peachy? Boss, my Peachy Peachy is made with our in-house artisan ground cassava, hand-knead, hand-pulled to perfection with our 11,284 secret ingredient. Boss, wala yan sa aking military-grade turon wheat lang pa na may IP68 dust and water-resistant score. May homing technology na
luscious leche flan, gawa sa sariwa at piling itlog mismo ng sari manok, made with milk na sigurado kang good for 2 years old and above. Ayan.
Wow, very bongga naman. How about you? What did you bring?
Panulak ang dala ko, boss. 10 case ng Royal. Kuha na kayo dun sa pantry. Madali nang i-level up ang snack ulitan with Royal because it pairs well sa mga merienda nyo. 13 pesos SRP. Ayun, taray, daming food. Let's go.
Oh, how about you? What did you bring?
Alright, hi. How was your week? It's bad. I still catch myself overthinking. Tsaka ang bilis ko nga. Can't relate. Anyway, last week I was to Japan. Life-changing, by the way. And you know what? While I was there, I was able to reflect on how privileged I am na hindi ako nakatali sa 9 to 5. But I can... Wait, OMG, ako nga pala yung therapist mo, diba? Of course, I walked out. Kasi I just cannot tolerate the disrespect anymore. You know what I mean? Period. Baka nakshi ko yan. Sasabi ko sa kanya, this will be the last time you'll see my face. Siyang tunay ba yan, nak? Siyang tunay, ma. But of course, when you look back, you'll also remember the beautiful memories, the good times you shared. But then it's temporary because you'll also remember the bad things. So how did that make you feel? I just have to accept that it's over. You are so brave. You know, sometimes kasi talaga life takes us somewhere we are not prepared for, and we just have to embrace the journey. Here's a tissue. Wow, biglang ayos ng sagot, Doc, ha, kasi may endorsement. Just cherish the moment. Pero ang bongga nitong Kleenex softbox ha, 190 sheets of premium 2-ply tissue made from 100% virgin fiber. I know that's right. Patingin nga ako ng IG ng ex mo. Ay, gets kita, Nok.
Yeah.
Sure kaya mo itong bigyan ng third chance? Okay, I guess I'll see you again in 2 weeks. Doc, wala ka bang ibibigay na prescription sa akin for medication? Prescription? Prescription. Ganto, bigyan na lang kita Spotify playlist. Nako, perfect to pang sad girl moments.